All right, he's gonna give it the old wobble wobble shaky shaky. Gotta do the in out top bottom.
Nice.
Solid.
Tight.
All right, well, let's go check the other side. I mean, everything's fresh in here. Oh, bring the light back. Bump stop. Bump stop, no bueno.
Oh, both sides.
Yeah.
Both sides.
But everything
Otherwise,
else,
the bushing on that looks good. The bushing that was up top for the shock looks good. Like, hose, nice and good.
Good braided ones.
Yeah, I mean, just a little dusty.
Yeah, it's just dusty. A little dusty, a little rusty, but it's actually in solid shape. This is actually very smooth. Doesn't look it, but it is. All right, let's go check the other one real quick. Real quick like. Real quick like.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lines are good.
So, ready?
Yep. Ooh.
That was the bottom.
Yep. Okay, so that's the one Gary was talking about. The right side lower ball joint.
Yep.
It's got some play. It's vercocked. Okay, so we will
Let them know.
let him know and
Go
put
for
ball joint on the list.
Otherwise,
Easy enough. Otherwise, yeah, we're solid, bud.
yeah, same thing. Bad. You know. One thing is I would have pulled this up.
Made that a little tighter.
Yeah. That way it doesn't rub. But you know, it's something we can discuss with them when he comes by.
Yeah, he'll be here in a little bit.
So.
All right. Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Looks decent. Looks okay.
Not bad for a 65.
Yeah, well done too.
Mm.
Very nice. There's a little
Rim marks.
polish action here. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But,
Well,
all right.
cool. All right. Well, we have inspection videos for Gary.
We'll be happy.
Good to go.